What's up, AP Stat? I'm Conlon. I'm doing my extra credit project for the marking period. Um, I'm doing it on Simonton Wrestling program for the high school. So a quick statistic about this wrestling season. We went 15 and 16, which means we won 48% of our matches this season. And I also found the records over the past 7 years of two of our division rivals, which are Delran and Pemberton. I recorded whether we won or lost to those teams each year. So in 2014, we beat Pemberton and lost to Delran. In 2015, we beat both teams. In 2016, we beat both teams. In 2017, we beat both teams. In 2018, we beat both teams. And 2019, we lost to both teams. 2020, we beat Pemberton and lost to Delran. So I took this data and I put it into a two-way table, like this. And I came up with a couple problems having to do with the probability of winning the matches each year in a given year. So the first question I came up with was, what is the probability of beating Delran and Pemberton, which is the same thing as probability of beating Delran times the probability of beating Pemberton, given that you beat Delran already that year. So I got the probability of beating Delran is 4/7 times the probability of beating Pemberton, given that you beat Delran, which is 4/4. I got that to equal 0.57. So there's a 0.57 chance that we would beat Delran and Pemberton that year. The other question I came up with was, what's the probability of beating Delran or Pemberton, which is the same thing as saying the probability of beating Delran plus the probability of beating Pemberton minus the probability of beating Delran and Pemberton, which I just found in the last question. So the probability of beating Delran is 4/7. The probability of beating Pemberton is 6/7. So 4/7 plus 6/7 minus 0.57, which was from probability of beating Delran and Pemberton, I got to be 0.85. So there's a 0.85 chance of beating Delran or Pemberton in a given year. Thank you. If you guys liked the video, make sure you guys subscribe. Have a good day.